In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read the Binance depth chart for day trading. Understanding the depth chart is an essential skill for any aspiring trader, as it allows you to identify buying and selling pressures, crucial for determining the optimal time to enter or exit a trade. Let's dive right in and demystify this powerful tool step by step. To begin, you'll want to open the Binance app on your mobile device or log into the Binance desktop platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trade section. Here, you'll need to select any trading pair that interests you. This might be Bitcoin against the US dollar or perhaps another crypto pair you've been following. Just pick one to start. After you've chosen your trading pair, you're going to want to find the depth chart. To do this, simply tap or click on the Depth tab. It's designed to present an aggregated view of buy and sell orders directly within your selected trading pair. Now you're looking at the heart of the information you need. On the depth chart, you'll notice two distinct colored areas. The green area represents buy orders, also known as bids, whereas the red area displays sell orders or asks. Think of this like a visual marketplace where buyers and sellers showcase their orders. The green side aggregates the volume of buy orders wanting to push the price up, and the red side shows the sell orders poised to push the price down. Visualize the chart like this. The x-axis represents the price levels, showing you at what price people are willing to buy or sell. Meanwhile, the y-axis is all about cumulative order volume, indicating how much is bought or sold at each price level. This balance and interplay between the two sides gives you a snapshot of market sentiment at any given moment. As you observe the chart, take note of the slopes. A steep slope on either side of the chart signifies strong support or resistance levels, as it shows a considerable number of orders clustered together at a particular price level. On the other hand, a flatter slope indicates weaker support or resistance, potentially cautioning against relying too heavily on those price points. Now that you understand the visual components of the chart, let's talk strategy. Use this insightful tool to identify buying or selling pressure. If you see a significant amount of buying pressure, it might suggest it's a good time to buy before prices climb higher. Conversely, strong selling pressure could signal a good point to sell before prices drop. This strategy can significantly aid in your day trading, facilitating more informed and timely decisions. That's all there is to it. You've just unlocked a key aspect of trading on Binance, equipping you with the knowledge to make better trading decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time familiarizing yourself with different trading pairs and their depth charts. Thanks for watching and happy trading.